Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to scale any video in native Android application with the help of the Media3 transformer library. So let's get started. So here, as you can see, I am playing this video. I will just pause this video for now. This video I have loaded from network, so it is stored on some server. Now I have one button called change scale. As soon as I click on change scale, it asks me for some permission. Now scaling a video does not require any permission. The reason why I'm asking for a permission is because I want to save this video inside the user's external storage so that he can access it from his files app as well. If you don't want this feature, you can just remove the relevant code as well. So here I will give the permission. I'll go back, and here you can see that the process has happened. Also here I'm if I'm able, so here you can see I'm also displaying the progress of how much the progress has took place, and here you can see the video should start playing. Okay, I'll just do this progress. Okay, I am not sure what is happening. The video should have worked. Let me try it once more. So here you can see all the progress has been happened. So yeah, now you can see I don't know what happened the very first time. So here I have changed the scale of the particular video, and you can see I have scaled it down. I'm not sure if it is visible to you or not, and also you might be seeing a little bit of jank because I am doing this Wi-Fi debugging. So I'm mirroring my device, so that's why you might be seeing a little bit of jank, but in real device you won't see it any kind of a jank. Okay, but here I'm not sure, so I'll play both the video. I'm not sure if it's visible to you guys or not, but as you can see, there is the second video has been scaled down. You might have to trust me on this. So this is the first part, and here you can see I was also displaying the progress. Now the progress has not reached till 100. This, I think, I'm not sure, is this a bug from the Media3 transformer library or not. And the 2 or the 0 which you see is the state in which the transformer library is in. So maybe you can add a check if the state is 0, and if the progress bar has reached to a certain limit, then you should stop displaying the progress bar if you want to actually show the particular linear progress bar with actual values. But here I am displaying a circular progress bar. Now the second example which I will, now the video has also been saved, so as soon as it's done processing, I'm saving it to my external storage. Now here I have created one second activity as well. I'll just run that. In this example of second activity, what I'm doing is I'm picking a video from our files app. So I'll quickly here I have one button. I'll click on pick video. For picking, here you can see that the files have been saved. It has been saved twice. Again, for the first output, I was loading that particular video from a network URL, so I didn't have it on my local device, and given that we did the processing twice, it saved it twice. Now I will pick this bigger video which is almost 10 minutes long. Now I will just click on change scale as well. Okay, so here you can see I have started displaying the progress bar, and if you want to see the actual progress, here you can see it has been started. Now this might take a little bit of time because this is like 10 minutes long video, so we'll have a look at the code meanwhile. Also this all processing, like scaling down effect, has been done on background thread, so it is internally managed by the Media3 transformer library. We don't have to worry about it. So let's get started with the code. I am using XML layout, but if you want, you can use Jetpack Compose as well. I have added the internet permission for the first output. Read write external storage because I want to save it to my external storage. This is for older Android version. For newer Android version, you have to use this manage external storage. And I have created another activity as well just to show you the output. You don't need to, you can do it in one activity as well. Next, here inside libs.versions.toml, I have added this Media3 exoplayer library, and here I have also added this bit of code. So these are all the libraries which we need, and inside my build.gradle, here as you can see, these three library exoplayer, UI and HLS are for playing the video, and transformer, effect and common are for transforming the video, like scaling down, removing audio, removing video, those kind of things. Then just click on sync now. Once that is done, I will first show you it for network URL. So here you can see that I have created inside our activity underscore main. If you want, you can use Jetpack Compose as well. Here I have taken one player view for playing the normal video. The second player view is for playing the scale down video. Then I have taken a button for changing the scale, and this progress bar has been displayed whenever we like do any kind of transformation. Now if I go to main activity, here you can see I have taken an exoplayer, two exoplayer. I have taken two player view. I have taken one progress bar as well, one file name. This playback position and play when ready are required for exoplayer. Okay, so the output is ready. I'll just show you the output meanwhile. Here you can see the output has been scaled down. I think it should be visible to you. If I play the original video as well, you should be able to see both. Again, it not be clearly visible because I'm mirroring my device, but anyways, yeah, this is what it is. Also, if you see the progress bar, it has reached till 99. So yeah, next let's get started. Okay, let's continue. Here inside playback position and play when ready has been defined. Then I have defined a transformer as well, which will help us to scale down the video. Next is a file. I have defined one file, and this is the video URL from which I was displaying the video for the first output. The handler and progress holder are for displaying the progress of how much transformation has taken place. Required permission, this is for old Android devices, and here we request the multiple permission. If permission is not granted, we display a toast message, otherwise we call setup transformer. Here we are just checking for manage external storage permission, which is the new thing in newer Android versions, where the user is redirected to the settings app. So here you can see I have done the same thing where user is redirected, otherwise in older ask for redirect external storage permission. And this is the helper method, just to see whether the user has granted the manage external storage permission or not. And here I have defined one progress bar, one input player view, one output player view, and on button click we are just doing request transformer permission. So here we are initialized our input player, here we are initialized our output player. This is the code for releasing our player. So on start we are initializing the input player, on stop we are releasing our player, on resume we are resuming our player, in on pause we are pausing our input player. In on pause you can also pause the second player in case if there is some video running on it. In on destroy we are releasing our player, and in request transformer permission, if it is greater than Android R, then we just do setup we ask for permission. If that is given, then we call setup transformer, otherwise we ask for permission, and this is for older Android devices for read write external storage. So here we set up our transformer, so in case if there is video playing in our output player, we make it null, and then we call transform video. Here in transform video, so this is the main part, we are displaying our progress bar, and this is the main important part. Here we are doing scale and rotate transformation. Now I have already done about how to rotate a video, so if you want you can watch that as well, but this video is only about scaling. So I'm scaling down the video, so 0.2f and 0.2f on XY. Here we are initializing our transformer. Here we are doing our media item dot builder dot apply set URI, and here we are creating our edited media item dot builder input media item, and here we are creating external file. We are doing edited media item dot build file path dot absolute path, and here we are tracking our progress bar. So the progress state which you was seeing 0 to those kind of stuff, here is the progress state, and instead of 0 to you can use this particular value like transform. So for 0 the name is progress state not started, for 2 it is progress state available, something like that. And for getting the actual progress, you have to use this. Next, here we have created an external file, and here this is the file code to save a file to external storage. Now even I have copy pasted this, and this only works on API level 29 and above. So if you want to target below API 29, I already have a video on how to save it to downloads directly. Maybe you can do that, because saving it in DCIM folder is like, or the videos folder is very tough. Like it's complicated on lower Android device. Even this is very complicated, but fortunately I did get the code online somewhere, I don't remember it, but yeah, this is the code for it. So if you want, you can just copy paste it. And also we have added a listener. If you see, we are extending the transformer.listener, and we have also listening for it over here. So over here, as you can see, so we have to override the two methods, on completed and on error. And here we are just on completed, as in everything is successful. So we are displaying our output player view, initializing it, saving file to external storage, and hiding our progress bar. And for error, we are like hiding both player, output player, as well as progress bar, and displaying a toast message. Also, one more thing which I wanted to show you. So if I come back to this code, if I click on pick video again, here you can see that there were previously 3 files, but now there are 4 files, because the scaled down video has also been stored. So just wanted to give proof for that as well. Now coming to second activity. Now second activity code is exactly similar like first activity, so I won't explain each and everything. The only part which I will explain is picking of video. Now picking of video does not require any permission. The permission which I have given is for read write external storage of like saving the video. So here I have one button for picking video. Everything else remains the same. This is input player view, this is for output player view, then this is a button for changing the scale, this is a button for progress bar. And here if you see second activity, same thing which I had defined in my first activity, exactly same. Only part is we don't have the video URL. So we will get the video URL when we first check for read write external storage permission, then we call this launch new video picker. So here you can see I'm displaying only videos, and once the user picks a video, we get the video URI, and then only we initialize the input player as well as resume it. Everything else remains the same, so I won't explain it. I will simply scroll through this. If you want, you can pause the video and copy paste the code. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.